Oh, hello there. So something extremely exciting today is that I'm using Grok. Yes, Grok Build. If you're interested, you can download the app Grok and you can get 3 days for free. Like in my case, I'm using my iPhone. I downloaded the Grok app, and with Apple subscription, they are giving 3 days free to try. And then you go back to your desktop. On my MacBook, I sign in again with Grok through my X account, similar to what I have done on my phone, and automatically it knows, oh, I'm on Grok, Super Grok. I can have access to Grok Build, and this is how I am now building something. I need to set up my environment as well, and to speed up my agents, it's important to tell your agent where to look in your project. So it will understand better your project. You have to mention in cloud.md. For Grok, probably it's agents.md. Grok agents.md, I guess. You have to set up skills as well. You have a lot of things to set up, and it's very exciting. Yes, agents.md, that's probably what we need. You see, skills, plugins, very similar to Cloud Code and Codex too. Plan mode, yeah, that's amazing. We also have the plan mode. Do we have the goal mode? You know, with Cloud Code, you can use goals as well. I'm not sure if they do have goals. And sub-agents, yeah, that looks really nice. Very nice. I'm going to have fun now building something. I'm sure it will be super interesting. And you see, it's available for Super Grok and X Premium Plus. And I've just subscribed to Super Grok on my phone, and that's why I have it for now. Changelog. Yeah, they try to compete with Codex and Cloud Code. Yeah, it's nice to see all of the competition there. Like, competition is hard actually. And let's see. So in my case, it might take a long time. You can also change after agents, mode, agents mode, and then you have level max. Let's see here, Grok builds level max. Can we change the level to be able to have a deep look on our code base? Switch level. Effort, yeah. Let's try effort. No, it doesn't. With Code, you have a lot of different effort. Effort is how hard it will try, basically. Yeah. Let's see also how it manages the context window and so on. There are a lot of things to try there. It will be very interesting. Agent. You can either use Grok or agent. So now if I do Grok, that will be the same. It's an alias. Analyze the project, app, dashboard, and API folders, and create a agents.md and the right skills for Grok to work correctly and to build what Retainer does. It will be Retainer code base. Just so we can speed up a little bit, so it will directly understand better the project before to look for like package.json. It will know, oh yes, it does use React, it does use that library for the styling and so on, and it will not have to look on the different package.json files to understand this. Oh yeah, it does have that node version 21. All right, thanks to agents.md. So already it knows what we want, what we don't want, the kind of project, the kind of architecture, or it's maybe it's we are using microservices here. Oh yeah, good to know. Dashboard, maybe the API. For now, I guess I will not mention app. the most important are dashboard and API, otherwise it will just get lost. Yes, let's do that. So very exciting here. We are building something really nice with Grok Build. I'm always, excited to, like, when I use a new tool, to me it feels super exciting. It's also what drives me, like learning something where maybe Grok will actually perform better, and you have to learn this. Because if you always use the same tool, of course you will use the tool very well, but these days, like Grok or Cloud Code, they work pretty much the same. You don't, like, the learning curve for Grok is actually almost the same as Cloud Code. So it's nice to switch. And the other reason is that, I have done a lot of Cloud Code videos on my YouTube channel. If you look on my YouTube channel, I've done a lot of them. And I'm a little bit, like, I've done a bit too much. I need a break. And that's also why I want to use a new tool, basically. Cloud Code. Some new videos will be published very soon. But basically, I've published already a lot of them about Cloud Code.
Hello and welcome
That's
to
one
this
about Cloud
first
Code.
video where
Hello,
we
hello,
are going
welcome
to
back.
directly
That's
start
another
our
one.
project.
With
In
these
this
changes,
course,
and I will
we
say
are
yes,
going
And
to
then-
allow
create
all
a
edits
autonomous
during this session,
Yeah.
and so
agent
it
that
will
will code
not
for
ask me
us
anymore.
If you look,
hours straight.
there are
And
also
today,
Then
some
I
other
can
dashboards.
wait. And
we are
while
not going to
waiting
use
That's
for
one.
we are
the
not going
AI
to
agent,
use
I could actually
Wizard
lift some weight
or
or
GitHub
meditate,
company.
Let me see if you,
take
I
care
will
of
just pause because otherwise it's a bit noisy for you.
Hello and welcome to
That's the same one. You also have some videos about attention. If we look for attention, we'll see here. And I suggest you to
Hello, I hope
also watch those videos. Oh, I'm mostly using, yeah, that's interesting. But I'm also using Cloud Code. I'm also using Copilot mostly with Claude Sonnet there.
hello and welcome.
That one is about
The
Cloud Code. Yeah, amazing.
Picking up
A lot of nice videos. And I suggest you to have a look at them as well, because I'm sure they will be really helpful for you. I'm going to take a photo just for fun. Okay, let's go like this. Photo time. Right. All right, just as a souvenir. Okay, now we can go back to our ghosty terminal. I'm also using CMOX for Claude now. Yeah, CMOX for Claude Code. And I'm using superset.sh. They do support at the moment Claude and Codex, but I guess probably very soon they will support Grok as well. Grok Build. We are not done yet there. Probably I will post this video, but it's mostly a overview of Grok, and that one will just say yes. I'm not on the YOLO mode, so list. Oh, I will. All right, let's see for that thought. Yeah. All right, I'm not sure how I can. Am I stuck in that mode? Command O. Command O is use the YOLO mode. Okay, that's good. Oh. Continue. Oh, I cancelled it. That's fine. We can just wait. It does work actually a little bit different than Cloud Code. Oh, now I can do always allow. And with CMOX, it's nice because automatically you would have a bell. You can have multiple tabs, and automatically it will notify you when one task is done. With superset.sh, it's really good because they do use Git work trees, but Git work trees can be quite painful to use. And with superset.sh, they make the Git work trees to be super pleasant. And that way you can work with multiple branches in parallel, and you don't even feel it. It's really nice. All right, so allow always. Amazing. I have some chocolates here. That's my motivation, my reward. Beautiful. I'm not on the YOLO mode, so but of course, when you just say yes, 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 and you don't really look what it is, then it doesn't make sense. Like you can just be on the dangerous mode. But in my case, I always like to still look at everything. And right now I'm recording this video. If something weird happened, then I can look back at the recording and I can see, oh yes, I said allow to that comment. So that's why I like to have the prompt to tell me, oh, would you like me to execute that comment on your computer? And I say, yes, fine, yeah, that's okay, the find comment. I'm happy with that. All right, I will stop this video for now. I hope this was quite nice for you. At least you have a little and nice overview for Grok Build. And I wish you all of the best. Happy Product AI Building Day. Like I said, keep yourself out there, like be curious. That's the most important. Because it's nice to use always the same tool, but with AI, everything changes so quickly. You can master a tool, but you can also check another tool. Like now I'm checking out Grok, and maybe I will not like it, but how do I know? Maybe I will think, wow, it actually does work way much better than Cloud Code, and it's maybe cheaper than Cloud Code. So I will stop using Cloud Code and I'm going to switch to Grok. If I didn't try, I wouldn't have known, and it depends on your project. And sometimes you just feel the tool better than another one. Similarly, like in my case, I don't really like using Git work trees, but I really enjoy using Superset SH. Everything is really nicely done in an AI, I mean a UI, sorry, AI, what do I say, AI all the time, UI interface. And that GUI UI interface make your experience very pleasant. And then you can also have, like you have the option to use either Codex, Claude, and yeah, it's quite pleasant and probably in Grok. And something actually I also tested last week, it was very interesting, with Codex. Now you can have access to Codex with your ChatGPT app on your phone. And so basically you can run some code from your app on your phone, and that's amazing. Like for me, it blew me away. Like it was amazing how powerful it can be. You are at a convenience store and you are just building an app from your phone. It's just, yeah, like you can be on the beach, you can be in the jacuzzi, in the sauna. Well, the sauna, that's the problem is the temperature always. I had some problem there because your phone will say to you that it will not work anymore because it's too hot. So it will just freeze and it will say it's too hot. Please wait that your phone cool down before to be able to use it. And it's bad for the battery. All right, see you later. And I hope this one was helpful to you.